morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Benkeswara Rao. My seminar topic is LED, light emitting diode. Content: Basic of LED, History, Structure of LED, Working, User materials, Application of LED, Advantages and disadvantages. Basic of LED, light emitting diode. It is two-terminal device used to emit light. It is convert electrical signal to light signal. It is used in forward wise. The emitted light may be either in visible range. Light may be either in visible range or non-visible range. History of LED. In 1962, when he was 33, the scientist Nick Holinek Jr. created the first practical visible light emitting diode. Nick Holinek Jr. is an American engineer educator. He is noted particularly for his 1962 invention for light emitting diode that emitted visible red light instead in infrared light. Holinek demonstrated the light LED on October 9, 1962 while working the General Electric Research Laboratory in Syracuse, New York. And this is the symbol of LED. Structure of LED. The semiconductor material used in LED is gallium arsenide, gallium phosphide, gallium arsenide phosphide. Any of the above mentioned compounds can be used in the construction of LED, but the colors radiated light changes with the range of material, or some of the material they respectively color light which they emit in addition in the range of typical forward voltage. Working of LED. The electrons are majority carrier in N-type and holes are majority carrier of P-type. The electrons of N-type in conduction band and holes P-type in valence band. The energy level of conduction band higher than the energy level of valence band. If the electrons tend to recombine with holes, they have to lose some part of energy in the fall in lower energy band. The electrons can lose their energy either in the form of heat or light. The electrons in silicon and germanium lose their energy in the form of heat. They are not used LED. We want semiconductor in which electrons lose their energy from light. Emission or protons. Semiconductor compounds such as gallium arsenide, gallium phosphide, gallium arsenide phosphide emit light when electron holes recombine. The electron in these compounds they lose their energy in emission of photons. If the semiconductor material is translucent, the light will be emitted from the junction. If junction acts the source of light, LED is operated in forward bias mode only. It will operate at reverse bias. It will get damaged. It cannot withstand reverse voltage. Used material: gallium arsenide, infrared LED, remote controller. Gallium phosphide, red or green light. Gallium arsenide phosphide, red or yellow light. Indium gallium nitride, blue, green or ultraviolet high brightness LEDs. Aluminum gallium indium phosphide, yellow, orange and red high brightness LEDs. Aluminum gallium arsenide, red and infrared LED. And difference between LED and PN junction diode. LED it emits light when forward biased. It is used in material like gallium arsenide phosphide, gallium phosphide. The drop across the forward bias LED is 2 volt. Reverse breakdown voltage is about 3 volt to 10 volt. Needs large power of operation. Draws considerable current from battery. And this is the symbol of LED. The application of LED: optocoupled 7-segment display and alpha-numeric display. PN junction diode. It does not emit light. It uses material like silicon germanium. The drop across the forward bias diode is 0.7 volt, much less than of LED. The reverse breakdown voltage is high, about 50 volt and more. Needs less power of operation. Draws less current. And this is the symbol of PN junction diode. The applications are rectifiers, clippers, clampers, voltage multiplier, and many electronic circuits. Types of LED: traditional inorganic LED, multicolor LED, bicolor LED, tricolor LED, organic LED, any nature LED, high power LED. LED is different sizes: 8 mm, 5 mm, 3 mm. Application of LED: indicator and signals, remote controller, fiber optic communication, light decoration. stadium, airport station, train, buses, etc. Advantages: lower energy consumption, longer lifetime, physical robustness, smaller size, various colors, easy to use, very low cost, easy to install anywhere, on off time is quick. And advantages are high power compared normal PN junction diode. LED work in 1.5 volt. It can be used only short period. Pool white LEDs can be cause problem to eyes. Thank you.